See you guys, look.
What the heck?
It's crazy. It's crazy.
This is freaking weird.
When you open it, it's a whole other universe.
So it's literally
No,
inside.
we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna start from the house and then we'll investigate this whole thing. Get on the sidewalk.
You can't walk down the middle of the road?
No, it's illegal.
It's like,
So we have arrived at Meow Wolf. Over here in Santa Fe.
Did this used to be like an old bowling alley?
Yeah, this used to have an entire bowling alley.
For some reason I it's now a
Just wait until you get inside.
My name is Charter Agent number 35, but you can call me 35. The zone you are about to enter is a classified zone, and it has been quarantined for not only your safety, but for the safety of the entire universe. Please be respectful of the contents within this zone. Please treat this zone with the utmost love and care. Please remember to watch your head. Remember to watch your step. But most importantly, remember to watch your mind.
This is the house, y'all. This is awesome. So guys, we are at Meow Wolf. This is awesome. This is
Wait a minute. See, that phone number.
Come on, buddy.
we gotta go through there? I'm not even young anymore. Oh.
Come on, Keenan.
Holy cow.
It's crazy.
What the heck, dude?
Watching these players.
This is weird. So we literally went into.
Just gotta hit him. It's crazy, huh?
Go ahead and play.
You just hit him. Play music.
That's awesome.
It's crazy, huh?
So we literally went into a fireplace.
We went into a fireplace.
I know, right?
And we came out in a dinosaur. See, there's space like there's space.
This is space?
No, up to there. And then that's where you enter. Watch. We'll go this way. It'll make sense when you enter most of it.
So are these like different universes, basically?
Basically, and the kid made it in his mind because his parents would continue to fight. So he would make different universes, and he would go on to escape while his parents were fighting. So this is where he went when his parents were always arguing about work. So they went into here, and he made this. Let's go back to the house and go up, and we'll venture the house first.
So we're gonna go back into the fireplace?
We gotta go back into Harry Potter, dude.
Just freaking awesome.
This is the story of the kid made it. He made this because like he was never alone. He was always alone. So he made this forest, and this is the room he went to when the story tells this is the room he made when his parents were fighting. That's crazy. Oh, you guys want to go upstairs, and then we'll venture his dreamland.
Okay.
I wish I
Back to the door.
What?
I am not the designated holder.
So we're going upstairs.
And this is the family?
Yeah, this is the family. No, there was never sisters, it was just him, but he, in his mind, he made up the sister. This is the little kid's room.
This is awesome.
I'm actually gonna put this one in there for a minute because it's hard to see.
A lot of
The
books.
kid had Legos, bro.
Legos.
All the stories are based around the room. Like this guy right here, he has one of the stories. This is the one of the
So you get to
stories.
read them?
To read them to unlock the mystery that happened to the house, but and then that's his closet that he did to his fantasy world.
Which way is?
If you want to go through, do you want to go through the house and then come back to this?
Yeah, we'll go through.
Mighty.
What?
This way.
Here, come on.
Mommy?
Look at all the fingers. Well, we need to go read the
One of them are locked because it's like just storages, yeah, for like I think that's the bathroom. The floor is all deformed or something like that. It's like a key to the bathroom or the bottom of the ceiling. And then
So this is the
you see
bathroom.
how it looks like it has water? It doesn't.
Oh, weird.
It doesn't have
What the
water.
heck?
That does look like
It
water.
doesn't. It looks like water, but there's no water.
That's cool. That's, the floor's all weird and you can kind of see it. Can't really see it.
When I first got here, I looked up to the toilet. There was a guy standing in there, but it was just a dude relaxing in the toilet. It started freaking me out. And then if you open that, there's a hole in the wall. Yeah. See?
Taking on a tour.
I know.
I know, I feel like it's
You guys want to buy the house?
This is kind of how Minnie did it.
They don't have good lighting in here. Sorry guys for the bad lighting.
That was the dad.
That's the bed.
Oh, one of the languages. One of the crazy things that they made up.
Which way we're gonna go through?
Go back through the house. We can slowly make our way through. This is one that scared me because this is the claustrophobic part I've heard.
Okay.
This is the reason you see me. They want to come in. We can play. Kind of. It's broken, I think.
Hey, chops.
Bing, bing, bing,
Not all
bong.
the keys were.
No, that's the point. I think that's the point. Call me Beethoven.
I will not call you
When Minnie came, there were so many people we couldn't see inside these things.
that. Inside these?
Yeah, you go to them.
So we're on top of the jungle. Just came from here. Coming back to here.
See, and the guys with the white coats are known as agents. They have different numbers, and basically they watch over the demented house.
So that's what they're called?
Yeah, they're called agents, and then they have the agents have different numbers on them.
So those are agents down there?
Sarah, Keenan's, Catmar. Oh! Ooh! What's sound drugs?
Oh, you all have to like squat.
I know, I have to,
the
like-
perfect height.
I'm actually sitting down on this, that's why. Q&A.
There's a door there. Hey, Miss Susie.
Must have authorized personality.
And I just sat down there.
Welcome to my house. Welcome to Chili's.
Oh, no, the treehouse.
Wow.
This is
Welcome to
cool.
Chili's.
Welcome to
We're actually about to have a
Chili.
heart attack out here. Y'all better hurry up.
You guys check out this guy. He's got gloves and a mask on.
Yeah, he's an agent.
I could so live in this too, Avery. It's so hot in
So they
here.
work here?
Yeah, I know, right? It's
Nice cameras. Yeah, it's hot.
thank
Oh, thank you.
Hot in there. It's hot in there. I don't waste time.
Hello, welcome to Chili's. I built this treehouse by hand. Took a long time. Lowe's is nowhere near us.
So where we going next?
We gotta get out of here because it's getting to be too much.
Guys, the doctor's gone.
We made up a whole world.
Like I'm zoomed out.
And then what scared Vinny is that giant spider, isn't it?
Which one?
Right there.
Giant spider. Oh, that one right there. The white one. Whoa. Can you go forward more or no?
No, it's good.
This is the same as the picture from the little boy.
Yeah, little boy. Yeah, that's the bus. You
Oh, that's so cool.
can go that way if you want. You can, you're leading.
I'm leading.
This is the Dr. Seuss room that freaked me out.
It's creepy.
Yeah, gross. I like this room though. Reminds me of the Nightmare Before Christmas. And a bit of a shot.
Oh, that's the stage right there. I see.
Oh yeah, it is right there. So that's the stage. I don't think I'm gonna get anything in this room.
I always knew my family was special. I knew we came from a bloodline that was radically different than most. But after I died, I found out that we were the anomaly.
That sounds like something from The Others. You guys ever see that movie?
Yeah, it's weird.
Where the dead people.
Where did Grandma go when she died?
Yes,
Where did she go?
you can feel it, but
Became us.
That's weird.
I want us to become us. Lex,
rest in peace, audience.
wake up. I can't lose you, Lex.
I want to come back. Bring me back to life.
I don't like that ticky voice.
There is no world that is not meant for you, Lex.
Dude, this is cool.
It's like a look at what's on the wall. Some kind of ant.
There is a sign that says everyone leaves.
It's a blanket.
Are those like two hearts?
Yeah, it's 2 hearts. It's 2 different chests put together.
Is it?
I don't know what that is. It's a shoulder. Check that out. It's upside down though. This is your shoulder blades.
Oh, that is.
And the hearts are down here. That's just weird.
Whoa.
You thought it was like,
Dude, I thought, oh my god, dude, I almost. I thought I was gonna fall. I was like.
it looks bare, huh? Like this.
So that looks, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that looks like you're gonna fall right through the floor over there.
Oh, but then we didn't.
Oh
You
man.
guys want to go that way or that way? We're going that way.
What's in there?
A bunch of eyes.
Really?
Yeah, it's just a button. Just peek your head in there. Look up. This one. It looks like a radio control from an airplane.
What if this is where time travel exists?
Don't hit the red button, guys.
Oh,
Don't ever tell me not to hit the red button. Somebody's going to hit 60 quarts.
Turn all thrusters on. We're going back in time. We're putting back in time. Hey, come in. We're going back in time.
I can do that.
And we're back in time. Y'all back in time now. We're all back in time.
What time period are we in?
We're in 1914.
You guys, I'm sick and tired of these snakes on
I
this
hate
bus.
you. I hate you so much. I hate you so much. I hate you and everything you said. We'll go that way up.
You know I need to invest in tomorrow?
What?
Some more SD cards.
Hey, look.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I don't know.
Andrew,
Huh?
I found Andrew.
Oh, what? There's more of them.